Los Cabos Update, May 14th, 2020. Hi, I'm KT Morgan, your host of CabosFinest.com, your insider's guide to Los Cabos. Well, Cabo lovers, we just finished up the second week of May. The spring weather's gorgeous. We've been receiving some big swells from the south, but the sea has calmed down. We're flying over the Cabo Marina, Pedregal, and Solmar Beaches today for this week's Los Cabos Update. Pedregal was the first luxury development in Los Cabos, a labor of love that's been 5 decades in the making. The cliffside villas are stunning and have been featured in major magazines all over the world. The beach at Pedregal is deep and soft sand that drops off steeply into the Pacific Ocean at the southern tip of the Baja. Next up is the beautiful Waldorf Astoria de Pedregal. You access this luxury resort through a chandelier-lit private tunnel. Next door is the historic Finisterre beside the massive Playa Grande Resort. And the final resort is Grand Solmar at Land's End, which is the southernmost resort on the Baja. Now let's take another look at Solmar Beach from afar. What a beautiful area. You can clearly see the marina in downtown Cabo from here, and as we look down to the southern tip. Well, this concludes our update on Los Cabos. We look forward to reopening soon. This is brought to you by CabosFinest.com, your insider's guide to Los Cabos. Can I ask you to do me a favor? Please sign up for our newsletters on our homepage or click on subscribe on YouTube. Thank you.